Hey guys, today I'll show you how to connect Google Sheets to n8n so you can automate tasks, read or write data, and trigger workflows directly from your spreadsheets. This is really useful if you work with data regularly and want to save time. First, you'll need to create Google API credentials. Go to the Google Developer Console and log in. Click Create Project, give it a name, and hit Create. Next, go to the sidebar and select OAuth Consent Screen, then click Get Started. Add a name for your app, choose your support email, and click Next. Select your audience. If you're not on Google Workspace, choose External, then enter a contact email and agree to the policy. Once done, click Continue, and then Create. After that, go to Create OAuth Client, choose Web Application, give it a name, and hit Create. You'll get a client ID and secret, which you need to store safely for n8n. Don't forget to enable the Google Sheets API by searching for it under Library and clicking Enable. Now head to n8n and create a new workflow or open an existing one. Click the plus icon and add a Google Sheets node. In the node settings, select Create New Credential under the Credential dropdown. Paste your client ID and secret from Google, then copy the OAuth redirect URL from n8n. Go back to the Google OAuth configuration page and add it under Authorized Redirect URIs, then save. Back in n8n, click Sign in with Google to connect your account. Once connected, select the spreadsheet you want to use from the Node menu. At this point, Google Sheets is fully integrated with n8n. You can now use it as a trigger to start workflows when a spreadsheet changes, or as an action to read, write, or update data automatically. Keep in mind, the OAuth setup can take a few hours to fully propagate, so if you get errors, add your Google account as a test user in the Google Developer Console under Audience. And that's it. You're ready to start automating your Google Sheets tasks in n8n. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss more automation tips and tutorials.